Student, today we are going to learn about the lines and angles. In the lines and angle, first we are going to see about what is line. Line is basically which does not have any end. Right? Yes. Here, from this end also it is infinite, from this end also it is infinite. When I say line segment is very, they are having the specific length, that is a 5 centimeter, or you can say 10 centimeter.
It will start from one point and end with one point.
Right. It is they are having the starting point and ending point. Understood? When we talk about the ray,
Ray has one end point and one side is
infinite, right? Then when we talk about the angle, so angles are basically this is right. So here it is A, B and C. So these are the ray AB and the BC, and the B is a vertices, right? Okay. Now here we are going to study about the types of angle. In your previous standard you studied the basic types of angle, right? Basic types of angles में कौन से थे?
Supplementary angle and complementary angle.
No, they are not a basic angles.
Right angle, zero angle,
Right angle,
obtuse angle,
obtuse angle.
right angle,
Acute angle is what is the distance of acute angle?
0 to 90 degree.
less than 90.
Right, from 0 to 90 degree. Right? Less than 90 degree.
Yes.
Then right angle is
90 degree.
Exact 90 degree.
exactly 90 degree, right? And obtuse angle is
More than 90.
180.
More than 90, but less than 180.
Am I right?
Yes.
So now you are going to study the more topics related to right angles. Here, the complementary angle. What is in the complementary angle?
When we add two angles, the sum should be 90 degrees.
Yeah, right. The supplementary angle is basically
90 degrees.
supplementary angles are basically the two angles who are having the equal sum, that is the 90 degree. That
degree.
means both will be acute. Am I right?
Both can be acute. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
both can be acute. Right. This is the right statement. This is a 60 degree. This is 30 degree.
30 degree.
Right?
Their sum is 90 degrees.
Right. So that if we add the both, so the sum will be 90 degree. Right? Okay. Now, one can be 80 degree. One can be 20 degree. Right? So, sorry, one can be 10 degree. So the sum will be 90 degree. So you are having so many pairs are like this. What you have to remember? The sum of a two angles should be
90 degree.
That is known as the
Supplementary angle.
Right. Then here, we are having the other, that is the complementary angle. What is complementary
When
angle?
we add two angles, their sum should be 180.
Right. In the complementary angle, the first condition is the two angles. The pair of angles, sum should be 180. So here, one can be obtuse, one can be acute.
Yes.
Right.
And both can be right angle.
Yeah, both can also be now this is 120 and then this is 60. So here it will be 180. That means what you have to remember, in a complementary angle the sum should be 180 degree. In the supplementary angle sum should be in supplementary
90.
right, 90 degree. Right, very good.
90.
Okay. Then now we are having the more angles, that is here. Okay. The first we are having the complementary angle, supplementary angles are done. Then we are having the
Linear pair.
Right.
Adjacent.
right adjacent. Okay. Now see. Now suppose this is the A, B, C and this is D. Okay. So angle A, B, D. ये किसका एडजेसेंट है?
D, B, C का adjacent है.
Right. B, B, C. Adjacent means near. ओके. Adjacent में क्या ये है
उसका
कि
neighbor.
या मतलब लाइक उनकी एक जो साइड है वो कॉमन रहेगी.
Example like a page.
Right. Like see, you are having the this is pages. So this page is the like see these two pages. So they are the basically adjacent angle. Understood? Okay. And what this is the adjacent angle here. This is the adjacent angle. Then here, linear angle.
Linear angle is 180 degree.
Right, the sun is a 180 degree. Now this is the straight line. On the straight line you will. Okay. Now see, the one side is common. If I say this is the angle A, B, C, and this is B.
There should be 180 degree line for a linear.
Yeah.
angle.
So here, the addition of this angle A, B, D plus addition of angle A, B, C is equal to 180 degree. Understood? Now you will say, okay, now you will get confused here. In between the complementary angle and the linear angle. Right? There is no any way for the confusion. Why? Here, one side is always common. In the linear angle, one side is always common. In the complementary angle, the one side is not common. They are completely two different angles. Understood? Okay. Now here, this is the adjacent angle. Though who are on one line. Now I can draw like angle here also. This is E.
This is also linear.
This is F. These all are the linear angles. Understood? These all are the linear angles. Then here we are having next.
corresponding.
Right. What is corresponding angle?
There are two types of interior and exterior.
No. In corresponding angle, what we are having?
One after the other.
Okay. First we will right. In a corresponding angle. Wait. First we will say the transversal line. What is transversal line? Now suppose here there are two lines. Okay. We don't know whether they are the parallel or not. There are two lines and here the one line just going through this two line.
Yes.
So now whatever the angles are formed. Now see here, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now this angle A, G, C. A, G, C angle. Okay, angle is A, G, C. This angle and this angle. Whether this is corresponding?
Yes, one.
Right. Okay. Now see here. Okay, this is the corresponding angle. That means they are on the same side of the one angle. What is corresponding angle? They are on the same side of the transversal angle. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood,
And B
everyone?
angle would
Yes,
be
ma'am.
corresponding to B angle.
Right. And then here. Okay. Now see what we will do. These are the corresponding. Then these angle G. See this angle. This angle C. G and here H. G, C, H. That means this angle. Okay. And angle G, H, F. What will be this angle? This angle G, C, H and G, H, F. What will this angle? This is the interior angle. Understood? This is the interior angle. Okay. So interior angle sum is 180 degree. Understood? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, everyone?
Yeah, ma'am.
No, it is 180. This is 180, not the 780. 780 को कौन सा angle होता है?
Minus 180.
Not minus 180. The sum is equal to 180 degree. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going to see about the opposite angle. Opposite angle are simple. You have to remember X. Like you all are having a
intersect.
राइट यू ऑल आर हैविंग अ सीजर सो सीजर को अगर आप खोलते हो सो ऐसे इस तरीके से फॉर्म होती है राइट दैट मींस दे आर दी अपोजिट एंगल दिस एंड दिस आर दी अपोजिट एंगल अंडरस्टूड एंगल ए ओ सी एंड एंगल बी ओ डी सी एंगल ए ओ सी एंड एंगल बी ओ डी आर दी opposite angle. Which angle it is?
Opposite angle.
Right. And what is their measurement will be equal. If it is 80 degree, then it will be also 80 degree. Understood? Okay. Then this angle, AOB and the COD are also the opposite. Right. Opposite angle. That means the sum will also same. Right. Then now.
Ma'am.
If suppose we are having to, like see, now consider that here this is the one line, okay. this is AB, this is CD, this is O, this is H. Okay, and here it is P, it is Q. Understood? Now tell me which will be the corresponding angle. Tell me which will be the corresponding angle. Okay, now I'm ready. No, the angles which are forming the F, which are forming the F, are the corresponding angles. अभी देखो यहाँ पे एक कौन सा फॉर्म कर रहा है? This and this.
H.
Right? See, angle BOH and angle BHP. Understood everyone? समझ में आ रहा है? See, ये F है. See, ये F है. ये पहला
जो
angle.
भी F के अंदर आते हैं वो corresponding.
Right. So F ऐसा भी हो सकता है, ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
Yes.
Now tell me the another pair of a corresponding angle.
AC.
No, no.
AOH. AOC.
Right. Angle AOH. And very good. Then next वाला कौन सा आएगा?
CHP.
Right. Angle CHP. T. वो कैसे? उल्टा नहीं आना है. F फॉर्म करना है. F. Understood? Now the same F can be formed like this. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now यहाँ पे ये क्या हुए? ये सारे क्या है? What are these?
Corresponding angle.
This is corresponding angle. Now look at here. अभी alternate angle. Okay. In alternate angle, what do you remember? You have to
Interior
remember,
and exterior.
you have to remember the Z. The Z. Understood? Like see here. ये देखो, ये ऐसे जा रहा है, ये ऐसे जा रहा है, ये ऐसे जा रहा है. Right? समझ में आ रहा है? समझ में आ रहा है? See, angle BOH. BOH मतलब ये Z का एक ये हो गया. अभी Z ऐसा होगा ना? कैसा होगा Z? देखो, this and then this.
Ma'am, BOH and CHP, no?
ना OHC. देखो, ये वाला एक एंगल हो गया Z में और ये दूसरा एंगल हो गया.
Interior, alternate interior.
हाँ, so मैं these are the alternate angle.
OHD भी हो सकता है ना?
हाँ, एक्सटेंड कौन से हो गया? अभी जैसे जब हम इसकी बात करेंगे तो ये एक्सटेंड हो गया.
AOQ and PHD.
नो
OHP.
ये AOQ. हाँ, ये क्या होगा?
Exterior angle.
ओ नहीं, अरे एंगल का नाम तो हम ऐसा लेंगे ना बेटा. हाँ, अभी क्या होगा?
Exterior angle.
अभी देखो,
AOQ.
राइट, AO
Q.
है ना? OH
AOHD.
and then OHD.
OHD.
Understood? OHD. समझ में आ रहा है? Everyone is understanding?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
what they are doing is, so these are the alternate angle. These are the
Alternate angle.
understood?
Yes, ma'am.
याद रखोगे?
हाँ,
Yes,
ma'am.
हाँ, देखो, corresponding angle कौन से है? जो F वाला शेप फॉर्म करते हैं. कौन सा शेप?
F.
ये यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे, ठीक है? राइट? अल्टरनेट एंगल कौन से है? जो
Z.
वाला शेप फॉर्म में करते हैं. इंटीरियर एंगल कौन से है? जो इंटीरियर में रहते हैं. जैसे ये हो गया और ये हो गया. जैसे AOH एंड एंगल OHC. ये दोनों जो अंदर है. अंडरस्टूड? वो क्या हो गया? इंटीरियर एंगल. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, और यहाँ पे ये वाला AOQ एंड द QOB. ये क्या हो गए? क्या हुए ये? AOQ एंड QOB.
AOQ.
हाँ, एंड QOB.
Z.
कौन सा एंगल है वो?
Z.
मैम वो है
कौन सा एंगल है वो?
Linear pair angle.
राइट, वेरी गुड. लिनियर पेयर एंगल. राइट, लिनियर पेयर. क्योंकि ये जो लाइन है क्या है? पैरेलल है इस लाइन से. मतलब ये लाइन और ये लाइन क्या है? स्ट्रेट लाइन है.
Straight line.
तो इसका सम कितना आएगा?
180.
180 degree. Understood, student, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In next lesson, in the next class, we will solve the doubts on this. Understood? Okay. Thank you so much.